Unless you were born yesterday, under a bridge, with no brain, okay, you are aware that ranking your restaurant on Google is the main thing that matters when it comes to increasing your traffic and your income. Okay, this is your modern day marketing. And specifically in this video, we're gonna break down photos. I'm gonna show you how important it is to have fresh photos of your restaurant on your Google business profile and how to use them to greatly increase your Google ranking and your traffic. Okay, how you doing today? Dave Allred, the Real Barman here from barpatrol.net for inventory management and restaurantpatrol.net for reputation management. So I would not at all be surprised if you personally put very little thought into how many photos that you have on your Google business profile. Okay, your GBP lingo. All right, and this is a big mistake because photos influence customer behavior, engagement, and your visibility in Google's local search results. Huge impact. And I'm going to tell you why. Google's goal is simple: to show people who are searching on Google the businesses that are most relevant to their search and that they're most likely to visit. To accomplish that, Google analyzes thousands of signals to determine which businesses provide the best experience for the users. Okay, and what it comes down to is that photos help Google understand what your restaurant looks like, what food you serve, whether your business is active, whether customers engage with your listing, and whether people seem interested in your business. The more information Google has about your restaurant, the more confidence it has when deciding where to rank you. Okay, think about it. Which restaurant appears more trustworthy? Restaurant A with 4 photos, okay, last photo uploaded 3 years ago, dark dining room, and blurry food pictures. Or restaurant B with 150 photos, fresh photos uploaded every month, a bright dining room, professional food photography, and a staff and customer photos. Okay, you're a smarty pants, you know the answer. I can't fool you. Okay, it's restaurant B, and it's because Google wants users to have a great experience, and photos help demonstrate that experience. One of the biggest ways photos affect rankings is indirectly through user behavior. Imagine someone searches best burger restaurant near me. Google then shows several restaurants. The ones that get clicked are the ones with appetizing food photos of burgers, attractive dining room images, clean appearance, and an active profile. And this is important because when you have people click your listing, Google receives a signal that users find your business relevant and appealing, which leads to more website visits, more direction requests, more phone calls, more reservations, or simply people choosing your restaurant and walking in because they like what they saw. Google also likes businesses that appear active. And remember, the goal here is to please Google. Okay, we're at their mercy. But if we take the right actions, we will be rewarded. Okay, like a horse getting a nice tasty sugar cube. So restaurants that regularly update information, receive reviews, answer reviews, and upload photos send stronger activity signals than businesses that remain unchanged over time. Active Google business profiles simply outperform neglected profiles over time. Before someone visits your restaurant, they're asking themselves a simple question: what can I expect? Photos answer that question. Customers want to see the food, the atmosphere, the bar, the patio, the dining room, the cleanliness, the portions, etc., etc. Good photos reduce uncertainty. Reduced uncertainty increases trust, and trusted businesses receive more clicks, more calls, more visits, which means you make more income. In addition, encourage guests to take photos and post reviews with photos and tag your restaurant on social media. It's a huge help. Okay, guest photos are even more authentic than professional photos that you might post yourself, which again, people love because it builds trust. The best Google business profile photos include food photos like signature dishes, bestsellers, desserts, appetizers, cocktails, beers, etc., etc. Okay, dining room photos. Customers want to know, like, is it casual? Is it upscale? Is it family friendly? Is it romantic? Is it sports bar focused? Okay, staff photos, because people connect with people. So photos of bartenders, servers, bussers, managers, chefs, etc. Okay, let customers see the people behind the operation. They love that. Action photos, meaning show your restaurant in motion. Okay, cocktails being poured, pizzas coming out of the oven, busy dining rooms, guests enjoying meals, live events. Okay, not only photos, but you can post videos if you want. Okay, these photos and videos show energy and atmosphere, which everyone wants when they go out to eat. Here's what to avoid. Dark photos, because dimly lit photos often look dirty or uninviting online. Blurry images. Okay, customers immediately associate poor photography with lower quality of the restaurant. Empty dining rooms, and this one is mega important. Okay, pictures of your empty dining room or your bar, especially the ones that you have on your website, they make your place look like a graveyard. Always take photos of your place packed if possible. Okay, outdated photos. If your menu changed like 2 years ago, remove the photos of those items that you no longer serve. Stock photography. Customers can spot generic images quickly, and it implies laziness on your part. As often as possible. Okay, the more photos you have, the better. The bare minimum should be at least 10 new photos per month. Okay, that's one photo every 3 days. Even a sloth could do that. I would love to see a photo every day from you. Okay, 30 a month. All right, the truth is, photos are no longer optional because before customers visit your restaurant or make reservations or place an order online, they almost always look at photos first. Okay, almost always. And if you have very few photos or crappy photos or no recent photos, you cannot legitimately compete with other restaurants. So just start with your iPhone or your smartphone. Okay, that's all you need. The cameras on those things are great these days. And then encourage your staff to take photos as well, and you will see a big difference in your traffic and your income. Okay, I hope this helps. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. I am going to see you next time. I'm out.